Jade slipping on her carpet with slippery socks. On her floor with slippery socks.
Boy. Here we go again.
Let me see if I can. Okay, I got your head in. Can I try it now?
We need first aid. Yes, you can try it.
Okay, here. I want to keep it on. I'm going to do it now.
Or not my foot, my hand.
Okay. Hi. Get up there. Motion sickness.
Hang on. You literally look like someone in Michael Jackson theme.
That didn't slip like I wanted it to.
This is a very slippery floor.
I don't.